What's up, E30 gang? So you got your ultimate E30 cup holder. Sweet. Now it's time to install it. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver for taking out your mirror controls. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver for taking out your armrest. And you're going to need an 8mm socket for installing the ultimate E30 cup holder. So let's get to it. So if you've never done this before, it's pretty simple. To take the armrest off, you just slide it forward. Comes right off like that. To take your door latch surround off, just gently push the lever in and slide that straight back. Pops right out. And don't forget your door lock, stock, and decorative trim piece. Then we got to pop off the door card from the securing clips. After that, the door card just slides up, and you want to kind of tilt it out from the bottom a little bit and up, and it slides right off. Now it's time to take out the original stock door pocket, just these two little screws, and it hooks in at the bottom. Out it comes. It's time to install the ultimate E30 cup holder. Goes in these three little slots in the bottom of the door card. Just hooks right in like that. And it comes with two M5, I believe, M5 bolts. Getting a little mixed up here. Also, two washers. A large washer and a small wave lock washer, and crank those down just until the lock washers are flattened out. Don't need it to be too tight. And it's installed. All right, let's put it on. It's easiest to do this from standing on the outside of the door, because you can kind of line these clips up and line up the door lock. And now it's installed. Let's finish the rest up. I also forgot to mention, if your power window switch still works, don't forget to feed that connector back through. Mine doesn't work, so I just forget about it. And that's it. Now you're rocking the ultimate E30 cup holder. Enjoy.